Hi and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's free lesson. Okay. Okay. Welcome Khairul Ridwan who just entered the meeting. Welcome Zulaika. Welcome Muhammad Sam. Okay. And for today's topic, it's about published custom component with in content center library with Inventor. Okay. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nara Akila. I am from acadsystems. Okay. Okay, for today's content, for the first part, I will show you how I create my custom content center library. And the second is how I create a custom component. The third is how to add or publish a custom component into library and modify and addition parameters to the existing library. And also for the last part, I will show you how I create assembly using paste component from content center. Okay, as we all know, content center library is a controlled environment where standard components like fasteners, such as bolts and nuts, steel shape, piping components, sharp parts, and many more are stored, accessed, and placed into an Inventor assembly. So even though the content center library has all the standard components, we can also design our own custom component and publish them to the library. Okay, later I will show you one of the way I create my custom component, which is bolt and nuts. I will show you how I create the head cap screw and the nut, and I will show you how I assembly them. Okay. Without further ado, okay, I hope you can see my screen. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Begin with the first part is create a custom content center library. Okay, now I open my Inventor. In home, go to project. Make sure you select your project name. Okay, as my case is I get my project. Okay, to create a new library, you need to go to configure content center library. Click on this icon. Okay, this is the configure library of my project. Okay, for you to create a new library, click on this create library, and you may enter any name you want. Okay, for example, I will enter library 001. As you can see, the file name will automatically fill. Okay, click on OK. As my case, I already create my library, so I will cancel. Okay. Now, where you can find your library location is your library located in C drive. Program, when you click this line, it will bring you to the folder where the library is located. Also in here, you can also check or uncheck the library. Let's say you don't want to use Inventor Boost because it is not available, you can uncheck it. Okay. Click OK and save. Okay, done. Now, for the second part, I will show you how I create my custom component. Okay, go to new and click on standard millimeter part. Okay, first I will create a head cap screw. So what I do is click on sketch and I select the XY plane. Okay, and I will create a circle in the middle with the diameter of 12. Finish sketch, and I will extrude it to 8 millimeter. Alright. Okay. In the center, we will have a hole which is in hexagon shape. So I will click on this space and click on create sketch. Okay. For the hexagon shape, I will drop down this rectangle and I will select polygon. Let it the pattern is inscribed. So click on the center. For the dimension, would be dimension would be 7 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch. Now I will extrude cut this hexagon shape to 7 millimeter. Okay. Now I created the head of the screw, and I will create the body on the bottom of this face. Okay, for the body, I will select circle, and diameter is 6. Okay, finish sketch, and I will extrude this body to 38 millimeter. Alright. Okay, for the next step is I will create a thread in here. So what I do is I click on this body, and in modify ribbon, I will click thread. Okay, for the type of thread, I will choose NC Unify Screw thread. You can also choose any type of thread you want. For my case, I will choose this. And for the size, there are many sizes in here, and I will choose 0.25. Same goes to designation and class. I will choose this and this. Make sure the direction of the thread is in right hand. Okay, next is for the behavior, I will turn off the full depth because I don't want the thread to cut the entire body, so I will keep it turned off. Alright, click on OK. Now I want to do a fillet in this edge and this edge. So what I do is you can also click in here, fillet, or you can simply click on this edge and select create fillet. Okay, and I will insert the radius for this edge is 0.3. I will select this edge too. Click on OK. And for the second fillet, I will insert 0.2 radius. Okay. Now I have done created the head screw. Let me choose the material for this screw. I will choose steel galvanized, and also for the appearance, I will choose chrome polish. Okay, let me save this file first. For the name is head screw. Okay, save. Okay, next I will show you how I create the nut. Okay, same. Click on new and select standard millimeter. Okay, for the nut, I will choose the exact plane. Okay. Okay, first of all, I will create a hexagon shape in the center with the dimension of 15. Dimension of 15. Okay, finish cache. Okay, I will extrude this chip to 7.5 millimeter. Okay. And then I will create a circle on top and on the bottom for me to create a taper to make it look like a knife. So click on this space and create new sketch. I will select circle and bring the circle until this edge. Okay. So let me check the dimension is written. Okay. So finish sketch. Now I will extrude this, but the boolean I will choose intersect. Okay, I will insert the taper for 45 degree. Click OK. And also I will repeat the step for the bottom face. Okay, repeat the step. Click on circle, bring this to this edge and finish sketch. Also extrude it to intersect and insert the taper 45 degree. Okay, for the hole, click on this and click new sketch. And for the hole, diameter is 6. Okay, finish sketch. Okay, for the hole, I will extrude cut it. Okay, through all. Okay, and then I will create a thread inside here. Okay, I will select this and I will select thread. For this time, I will choose the type NC matrix and profile. Okay, you can also select any type and size the dimension class I will let you. Okay, and click on OK. Now I will create a chamfer in this edge and this edge. So what I do, we go to this chamfer. Okay, I will create click on this edge first, and then I will insert the distance is 1 meter. Okay. Now I have created both component, which is headset cap screw and the nut. Okay, before I forget, I will select the material, still galvanized, and also same with appearance, chrome polish. Okay, let me save this part first. Alright. Okay, for next step is you need to make sure that your model, your component is fully parameterized. So what I do is I go to this button, or you can simply go to manage and you can find this parameter and this. Okay, make sure that you rename all the model parameter name because it is important for you to create categories later. So let's start. Let me rename this first for head diameter. Head diameter. Okay. For this is I will rename it as head length or head extrude. Okay. If you have many words, you need to input the underscore character. You cannot space. Okay. And for this, I will rename it as body diameter. And also, I will for this, I will extrude. For this, for the heads shape, I will change it. Heads cat, and this is head pole. Head pole for the pole. Okay. And for this, for the body, I will rename it as body diameter. And this is body length. Also, for the thread, I will rename it as thread. And same to fillet 1 and fillet 2. Okay. Now, all parameter is rename it. So, click on done. Okay, for the next step is I want to create a category in Content Center Library. So what I do is I go to manage, and under Content Center, you will see the editor Content Center. Okay, this is useful for you to create or build or edit user library. So you can create categories, you can copy your component into this library. Okay, click on this. Okay, for you to create category, make sure the library view is your library. Yeah? Okay, select your library, and to create a new category, right click on here and click category. Okay. For this, you can for the category name, you can name any category you want. For example, I already create my category, which is custom component. So I don't need to show you. When you enter the category name, you can click OK. All right. And under custom component, they will have two folder or two categories, which is I create custom nut, and later I will show you how I create a custom board. Okay, to do that, you can right click in here and select create category. Okay, for this time, I will create custom board. Alright. Okay, you can also set your category image, but make sure that your image is in BMP5 format only, right? Okay. For the parameter, okay. For the parameter, this is very important for you to set the parameter because it map to the parameter of the model. So you need to create a you need to insert the parameter here. What you need to do, let me explain this first. Okay. What I do is right click in here and click add parameter. Okay. And I will rename this parameter follow the model parameter I created earlier. Okay. For this parameter. Also, same for this, if you have many words, you need to insert the underscore character because you cannot space, it will be an error. Okay. For the data type, there are 4 data type. Okay, Boolean, integer, real, and string. These 4 have different meaning. Okay, for the Boolean, the value can be true or false. Both value are what's called reserved words in Visual Basic. Okay. So for the integer, it means that integer can be positive or negative whole number. For example, negative 1 and 1. Okay. For the real number, okay, it store number that contain decimal places or values, and can also store integers. Those are basically positive numbers such as 2 millimeter or 1.5 inches. Okay, and lastly for the string, it means that a data type that is used in most programming language that are made up for order sequence for characters. For example, like text, like hello world, macam tu. Okay, for this data type, in my case, I will choose real number. Okay, and the unit, it is millimeter because the head diameter is in millimeter. Okay, for the mapping, they also have two options, which is required and optional. And in my case, it is required. Okay, for the next parameter, the next parameter is I will enter the head extrude or head length. Okay, and same goes to data type. It is real number, and for the mapping, it is required. Okay, and for the next parameter is body diameter. Okay, same goes to data type. I will choose real number, and also it is required. Okay, we need to fill in all the parameter names, same as the model parameter. So the next is body length. Okay, the data is real number and mapping is required. And for next parameter is the hole, which is head cap. Okay, for the head cap, it is real number and also required. Okay, next is heads hole. Sorry, head cap hole. Okay, the data type is in real number and also it is required. Okay, for the next parameter is thread. Okay, I have created the thread. So the thread is real number and the mapping is required. Also, I create fillet 1 and fillet 2. Fillet 1 and fillet 2. Okay, these both are also real number and is required. Okay, let me check. I think okay. Okay, once you insert the parameter, you can click OK. Okay, now the category for custom bolt is already created. Okay, I already prepared the custom nut, and also I already published the nut into this category. So, okay, when you done create the category, you can click on done, and now it is ready to publish this component into that library. So how I do? Okay, I will go to manage, and under content center, I will click publish part to publish this component. Okay, for this select library to publish to, select your library, and for the language, I prefer English. Alright, and click on next. Okay, for this step, select category to publish to. You need to select the category that you have created. Okay, so I want to publish this board into this category. So I will select custom board. Click on next. Okay, next is map family column to category parameters. Okay, for this time is you need to match up this category parameter with the template parameter or model parameter. So what I do is click on these three dots under parameter, under model. I will select the body diameter. So I will match these two. Okay, click on OK and repeat the step for the others. Okay, for the body length to body length, for the fillet to fillet, fillet 1 and fillet 2. For the head diameter, also same, I will match up these two. And for the head strut, also for the head cap, and for the head cap hole, also lastly for the thread. Okay, for the thread. Once it's done, hit on next. Okay, in this section, you are required to define the family key column. So I will replace this table column to key column. So I will select body diameter, body length, fillet 1, fillet 2, head diameter, head strut. Except for the material, I will select part number and thread. Okay, for this, I will this. So in this key column, you can also rearrange it according to your liking. For example, I want to put this on top under part number, or okay, this diameter. Okay, for the thread, I want to put it for the in bottom. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, once you done, click on next. Okay, in this section, you need to set family properties. I recommend you to put your library name. Okay, for me earlier, I create library 001. Sorry, library 001. Okay, and then I will just copy and paste it under family description. Alright, for the family folder name, it will automatically fill in. Okay, for the standard organization, I also recommend you to put your library name. Library name. Okay, and also same goes to standard and manufacturer. I will just copy this and paste it under standard and manufacturer. Okay, it is easier for you later to find your library. Okay, and for the standard revision, I will insert one for this case. Okay, once you have done, click on next. Okay, to set family thumbnail image, you can set your family thumbnail image if you want. Okay, and then click publish. Okay, now it is successfully published to your library. Let we see, click on editor. Okay, in here, custom board, the component is already published into this category. Right? Okay, for the next is I will show you how to modify this category. Alright, open click. Okay, I will repeat. Right click on this and click family table. Okay, here I want to modify and addition parameters. Alright, I will put my part number here. Okay, for example, 1451. And I want to match the file name and designation, same name as my part number. Okay, so what I do is I will right click in here and click add column. I'm sorry, we right click here and column properties. Okay, I will keep the part number and we select all and delete. Okay, also I will repeat this to designation. Right click on this and column properties. I will keep the part number. Okay. Okay, now you can see the file name and designation is matched with the part number. Okay. Okay, the next is I want to add more part number, which is 1452. What I do is right click in this and add row. Okay, I will just copy the part number into the second row and change the part number into 1452. Okay, once I click on this, these two also will automatically follow the part number, as you can see here. Okay, now I want to insert the different dimension. Okay, for this I will keep it same for the fillet. Okay, for the diameter, body diameter, I will change it to 10 millimeter. Head screw, I will change it to 15. Head diameter, I will change it to 20 millimeter. Thread is same. For the head cap, it is same. For head cap, it is 15. Okay. And for the head extrude, it is same, which is 8. Head extrude. Okay. For the lastly body length, it is same, 30. Okay, let me check. Body diameters. Okay. Okay. For each time you will you need to click apply to publish the second part number into the library. Okay, it is successfully published and click on OK. Okay, now I want to show you how I assemble these two bolt and nuts into a model. Okay, select assembly millimeter, and I already create the model. Okay, I will okay, let me repeat. All right. Okay, let me check. Let me change the visual style to shaded with edge. It is easier for me to see. All right. Okay. Okay. For the next is I will place the two components, which is the screw and the bolt, the nuts. I will select place from content center. Okay. Firstly, I will select this screw, and for this 4, I will select the first part number. Okay. I will select the first part number, click OK. I will add 4. Okay, now I will show you how I constrain this 4 into the hole. Okay, what I do is in relationship, I will click constraint, and for the type, I will choose insert. Okay, what I do is I select this edge and this hole, so it will meet together. Okay, click apply and repeat the same step for the other part. Okay, for the third and for the fourth. Alright. Okay. Now I will insert this for this code. Also place on content center. And now I will select the second part number. Okay. And sorry. Okay, for this pool, I will select the first part number. Okay, and also I will repeat the step. Cut is insert. Okay, and select this. Okay, and now I want to insert the nuts. Okay, for the nut. Okay, I will select the first part number 1451. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for this for the nut, I will use join. Okay, and select the first origin and select the second origin, which is here. Okay, click apply and repeat the same method to the other nut. Okay. Alright, click apply. Sorry. Let me repeat. Click on join. Click here and click here. Okay, apply. Same to the others. Apply and also for this, the last nut, also same. Alright. Okay. This is how one of the way to create the custom component and custom library. Also how to publish the custom component into the library. Okay, I guess that's all for the online lesson. Now, if you have any question, you can ask. You can send the chat. Okay. And before I forgot, let me bring you to our website. Okay. Okay. You can open any browser you want. Okay, type in acadsystems. Sorry, type in acadsystems.com. Okay, this is our website. What you can see here is a little short description about our company, what we do and what are we. So when you scroll down, you can see the latest Autodesk promotion and news. If you have any inquiry, you can contact us through this number for Kuala Lumpur site and Penang site, or you can simply you can have a live chat with our team. Alright, and also you can simply fill in the form and send the email to us, and our team will reply immediately. Alright, okay. Other than that, you can see the latest Autodesk online lesson, workshop and webinar. Okay, for today, we have this lesson. And for on 14 April, we will have AutoCAD Understanding External Reference. If you would like to join this free online lesson, you can simply click on the banner and fill in your RSVP here. Okay. And also, if you miss this lesson or you want to watch our previous lesson, you can go to our YouTube channel. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you can see here, you can find any interesting topic you can learn from our previous topic. Alright? Okay. I guess there is no question. Okay, now I will end this free online lesson. I will end, thank you, welcome Azam. I will end this free online lesson and let's meet again in our next online lesson. Bye bye.